In this video, we will learn how to view attributes updated from Active Directory import. Let's get started. First, log into your Okta admin dashboard. Navigate to Reports and then Import Monitoring. Click View under the Logs column. This will show your system log. Copy the transaction ID in the search bar and save it in a notepad. Then copy and paste the following query into the search bar and replace the transaction ID with the transaction ID you copied earlier. Click the search function. The result log entries will populate, and then click on the log entry and expand all. Scroll down to find changed attributes. This will show changed attributes if there are any. And that is how to view attributes updated from the Active Directory import. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to us on YouTube.